to position the camera, and these things just can't wait. This is my camera. Look at that thing. My goodness, Ren. And the pine warblers right there. And the bluebirds up there. And other pine warblers. Yeah, and Bullet. Hey, Bullet. Alright, so we're gonna just get this right on it. Is that good? I can't see. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. Alright, so that's my setup. A beautiful day starts right here. Isn't that right, Bullet? What you got? Alright, they're all like really anxious. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Oh, I gotta put the worms in here. We're gonna put 2 handfuls in them. There's my Ren. Come on, Ren. Where are you? Oh, they're all up there. Come on right here. Here. Come on. Come on. Alright, let me go because they're coming. Look what Bullet does. Yeah, just an excuse to dig a hole. Yeah. Alright, Bullet, you don't need to dig a hole anymore. Alright, I gotta go.